Hi everybody, it's Wanda. So today I'm going to do this record. I have sprayed it with clear varnish, like a Rust-Oleum clear gloss, to seal this label because I've had those raise before when I did a pouring. And I have my contact paper on the back that has been used before, and I'm reusing it. And that protects the back, keeps some of the paint off the back of it, so when you pull it off it looks pretty on the back. I'm going to be using leftover colors from my last pour. It is a dark yellow. There's not a ton of this in here. An orange and a blue. I think I'm going to separate those. The colors are Craft Smart bright yellow with just a little bit of Craft Smart red added to it to tone it down a little bit. This one is Apple Barrel Blue Bonnet. I like this color a lot. This one is Apple Barrel Tropic Orange. My gold, I believe, it was mixed up in a bottle previously, but I'm pretty sure that it's the Chroma in the Dorado gold. And I'm going to layer the way I did before, but I may add a little bit of black in this one. I'm going to be putting gold between my yellow and blue, and between my blue and my orange, to keep it from going green, hopefully, because blue and yellow make green. And so hopefully this is going to work again. I think I'm just going to do like a ring pour or a straight pour. I don't want to do a flip cup because I do want to layer them. So I'm going to start out with a little bit of yellow. Don't have much colors here. Doesn't take a whole lot for this. I probably should have got a smaller cup. A little gold. Some blue, a little more gold, some orange, a little more gold. I'm going to put just a little black. It's thin. I hope it doesn't mess everything up. Okay, so I'm going to separate the yellow and the black because I've had that give me green before also. So I'm going to use the rest of this yellow. These paints are all mixed. 1 part paint, 2 part Floetrol, a little water thin. I use distilled water because I have hard water here, and it has like calcium or lime or something like that in it, so I don't want that in my paints. I think I have plenty of paint in this cup now. Probably need to stop. And put the last of that gold in there. A little black. Hopefully it doesn't sink too much. I think it is. I'm not going to use a lot. So here we go. I think that black did sink. Slow. I know. I'll fix this just a little bit. Looks like a yin and yang sign right there in the middle. Okie dokie, let's see what happens here. Hope I have enough. Thought I had plenty. I forgot to look and see how much it takes for a record album. I like that Tropic Orange. I think that's a pretty color. Of course, if I get this spread out and I don't want to stretch it anymore, I can always go around it with black. I got light coming in the window on the left of me and ceiling light reflecting on the right of me. My right side. Coming in from the right. My furnace just kicked off and I just realized my furnace is on. It's setting down low. The heat is still on, even though, you know, I haven't had to run the air, even though it's been like 77 in here in the evening. We've had warm days, cool nights. So I guess once my house gets chilly on the inside, it stays chilly. And that's why my heater was running. Weird. Well, this is not looking much like a ring pour now. Probably swirled it a little too much. I love seeing what the paint's going to do. That's what's the fun part of this so much. Because it definitely will. It does have a mind of its own. Gravity. That's what gravity will do for us. Okay. I think that blue looks pretty. I really like it right in here. See if you can see that. Right in this area right in here. Start trying to get it to the edge here some. Getting a weird pattern. Bring it back to the middle. Trying to look at my center and see what I have here, where I want it to go. That black paint being thinner is causing it to run so much different than the rest of the paint, I think. I sure do like having the contact paper on the back. This is going to look strange. I really didn't think putting that little dab of black in there would make that much difference, but it sure did. Come on, paint. Well, this should have been a short video, but it didn't turn out to be, did it? There's one place I don't like and I want to do something about, and it's that one right there. Scoot it down some. Okay, now, I still don't like the shape of it. Okay, I think I'm going to leave it like this And I will take the camera down and give you a close-up. It's odd, but I like it. I love doing record albums because I like the round shape so much. So, let me take it down and give you all a close-up, and I'll post at the end one picture of it with it dry. So, thank you for watching. Don't like that. Psst, weird. Weird. So this is how this one turned out. I absolutely love that blue, especially with that gold and that black. I think that is a gorgeous color. Name of it's Blue Bonnet or Bluebell, and it's an apple barrel. And once again, the gold being between the blue and the orange did keep it from going so much green. There might be just a little tint in there. But really, I think separating it with the metallic kept it from mixing on the canvas or on the record, in this case. So, sorry about the reflection from the ceiling light. So that's what I got. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. So I wanted to show you how this one dried. It actually came out really cool. I think that metallic, separating the yellow from the blue, did a pretty good job, and it just looks really pretty up in here because it's all shiny, and then it's kind of weaves its way down and into the darker part of it. So that's how it looks. I'm really happy with this one too. Thanks for watching.